To check your credit score for free on the Santander app, first download and log into the app on your iOS or Android device. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit or Account section, often found under a Services tab. Then, select Check Credit Score to access your free credit score. This feature provides free access if you have a Santander current account with recent activity. Your score updates regularly and includes a breakdown of factors like payment history and debt levels. The service integrates with Experian for personalized insights and is available in the UK, expanding globally. Remember to keep your app updated for the latest features. Access is generally free, though eligibility may vary internationally. Checking your credit score is essential for understanding your financial health. Santander's app provides a snapshot of your creditworthiness, which lenders use to assess risk. Your credit score is calculated based on factors like payment history at 35%, amounts owed at 30%, length of credit history at 15%, new credit at 10%, and credit mix at 10%. Using the app helps you monitor these factors and identify areas for improvement. Expect to see a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, typically ranging from 300 to 850 in the UK. While the app offers free access, remember that it provides an estimate, and scores may vary slightly between different credit bureaus. By regularly checking your score, you can catch errors, track your progress, and make informed financial decisions, potentially leading to better loan approvals and savings. Santander's free access promotes financial literacy, aligning with its responsible banking ethos.